Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using Eventbrite. Eventbrite, a comprehensive booking platform review. Eventbrite is a versatile platform designed to connect event organizers and attendees, streamlining the process of discovering, booking, and managing events of all sizes. Whether you're searching for a small workshop or a large-scale concert, festival, or conference, Eventbrite offers a powerful suite of tools to facilitate the entire event experience. Links to explore Eventbrite and its features are included in the description below. For attendees, Eventbrite provides a user-friendly interface to browse a diverse range of events. You can filter events based on your location, specific dates, or personal interests. Categorization by areas like music, arts, business, and sports makes finding events that align with your preferences simple and efficient. Each event listing offers detailed information including schedules, various ticket options, pricing breakdowns, and venue details, ensuring you have a clear understanding before making a booking. Event organizers benefit from Eventbrite's robust event management tools. The platform empowers organizers to create customized event pages, establish tiered ticket pricing, and monitor sales performance in real time. Integrated marketing features, including social media connectivity and email campaign management, amplify event visibility, making Eventbrite an all-in-one solution for event promotion. The ticket booking process on Eventbrite is designed for ease of use. Once you've selected an event, choosing your desired ticket type and completing the purchase takes just minutes. Tickets are delivered digitally and readily accessible via the Eventbrite mobile app. The app itself further enhances the event experience, offering updates, reminders, and personalized recommendations for attendees. Organizers can leverage the app's capabilities for guest check-in, attendance tracking, and managing any last-minute adjustments on the go. Whether you're an individual seeking new experiences or an event organizer requiring a professional platform, Eventbrite offers a reliable and efficient solution. For individuals, Eventbrite opens doors to a world of events tailored to your interests. For organizers, it provides the tools and resources to effectively manage and promote events, from initial setup to post-event analysis. In conclusion, Eventbrite simplifies both event discovery and management. The user-friendly platform and comprehensive features empower attendees and organizers alike. Explore the links in the description below to dive deeper into Eventbrite and begin creating or attending unforgettable events today.